With more and more jobs moving online, signing and processing documents electronically is becoming a much more efficient option. While apps like Adobe Acrobat and Apple's Preview allow you to create and use an electronic signature within the app, they stay in the app. If you want to create a separate file for use across any app, here's what you'll need to do. If you're on a mobile device, you can use Google's Keep app, linked in the description below. Once it's set up and you've signed into your Google account, tap on the Add icon at the lower right to create a new note. Once it loads, tap on the Add icon that appears at the top left corner of your keyboard. Select Drawing, and you'll be brought to a sketching screen. Tap on any one of the tool icons below to use it. To change color and stroke thickness, tap on your selected tool. With that set, sign your signature with your finger or a stylus if possible. Once you're satisfied, tap on the back arrow at the top left. Your signature will be saved automatically. If you prefer to use a drawing pad or mouse on your desktop computer or laptop, open your browser and head to keep.google.com and sign in if you aren't already signed in. Once the page loads, click on the brush icon next to the Take a Note icon to open a sketching screen. From here, select your tool, color, and stroke size of choice. Then sketch out your signature using your mouse or writing tablet. Once you're satisfied, click on the back arrow at the top left. Your file will be saved automatically. To export your signature from Google, log into keep.google.com on a desktop browser, then find and open your signature note. Click on it again to open it back in your editing screen. Then click on the triple dotted icon at the top right. Select Export as Image, and a PNG file of your signature will immediately be downloaded to your desktop. Feel free to crop it to size using your app of choice as needed. To use it, simply copy and paste the image file onto the document you need to sign, then resize it to fit. Do note, if you plan on digitally signing documents with a colored background, you may want to edit out the white background using an app like Paint 3D. If you like this guide, make sure you like and subscribe for all sorts of videos covering e-cigs and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.